Have you ever wondered why no matter how hard you work, you always feel broke? It's not always about how much money you make, but it's about how you manage it. In this video, we'll uncover 5 money habits that secretly keep you broke, and more importantly, how to break free from them. Stay tuned. Habit number 5 is the most overlooked but the most powerful. Habit number 1, which is lifestyle creep. As soon as income increases, many people increase their spending getting nicer clothes, new phones, eating out more, and so many other things. The problem here is, your spending grows as fast as your income, leaving no room to save or invest. But this can be fixed. Start by paying yourself first. Every time you get paid, set aside at least 20% for savings or investments before spending on wants. Let your lifestyle grow slower than your income, and you will see the changes. Habit number 2 is relying on debt. Using credit cards for daily expenses and carrying balances creates a cycle of interest payments that drain your wealth. But do you know this can actually be fixed? So use credit cards only if you can pay in full each month. But if you already have debt, focus on either the snowball method, paying off smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, paying off highest interest debts first. Habit 3 is like a death by 1,000 cuts. Hope you know it's not the $500 purchase that always keeps you broke. It's the $5 spent every single day without noticing. That daily coffee or unused subscription might seem small, but over time, it adds up to thousands of dollars lost. So fix this by track your spending for 30 days. You'll be shocked at where your money actually goes. And with this, you can cancel what you don't use and replace expensive habits with cheaper alternatives. Habit number 4, which is not having an emergency fund, is another issue. Because when life throws you a curveball like job loss, car repair, or medical bills, many people turn to loans or credit cards, and this creates even more debt. To fix this, build a starter emergency fund of at least $1,000. Then grow it to cover 3-6 months of expenses. This gives you a safety net and keeps you from falling into debt traps. Kindly watch till the end to get the full benefits of this video. Leave your contribution in the comment. Habit number 5, which delaying investing. You know what? Too many people say, I'll start investing when I have more money. But waiting means missing out on the most powerful wealth-building tool, which is compound interest. To fix this, you need to start small. Even $50 or $100 in an index fund can grow massively over decades. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest later to reach the same goal. So there you have it. The 5 money habits keeping you broke are lifestyle creep, debt reliance, ignoring small spending, no emerging fund, and delaying investing. The good news is this. Each of these habits can be fixed with small but consistent changes. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through daily choices. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most? Drop your answer in the comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you find this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to Wealth Made Simple. Check out my next video on how to save $1,000 fast for your next step toward financial freedom. Thank you.